Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking, grade 4, chapter 2, hide and seek. The first question for the day. Sam travels from start to end by visiting every block. He collects an item from every block except from the block which comes immediately after a gray block. Okay, he collects item from every block except the block which comes immediately after gray block. Great. What is the total number of items he will collect? Okay. First, let us check the items which comes immediately after the gray block. So if he starts somewhere here, the first block itself a gray block. So immediately, the immediate block has an item which is not selected or collected. Great. Again, there is a gray, so this won't be selected. And this is actually immediately after the gray. This won't be selected. And this selected. This is immediately after the gray. And this may be selected. And this obviously yes. And this is gray, so the next one is not. So the first one will be collected, not the second one. Third one will be collected, not the fourth one. Fifth one, sixth one will be collected, not the seventh one. Eighth one will be collected, not okay. Ninth one will be collected, and not the next. So in total, let's check how many have we collected. One, two, okay, three, four, five. So there are 5 items collected. So I go with option B, 5. Moving on to the next question. The star must follow the arrows and return back to the square. How many different paths can it take? Great. Let's trace the star is here. It has to start and come back to the same place. In that case, first I go down, take one right, then up, then left. So 1, and let's change the direction now. Okay, I go down. No, I can't go down. It's only one way. Okay, I go up, take one left turn, come down. I can't take right, so still I go down, take right, and I just move forward, go up, take left. So it's the second option, and I guess only 2. Let's check once again. And is there any other options? Yeah. Go left, go down, go right, up, then come left. So the third one. And is there any other possibilities? Okay, here there is one more. Let me go up, take right, come down, take left. So I guess I have 4 options. Then I go with option A. If in case you find any more paths, do comment. Yes, let's move on to the next question. A, B, C, and D each go to one of the following places: the zoo, the shop, the cafe, and the gym. Each person visits different locations and starts from different white squares. Great. B reaches the gym in exactly one turn. B reaches gym in exactly one turn. A reaches cafe in exactly 2 turns, and D did not take any turns to reach his destination. Okay, so the main question is, who among them started from the square having the question mark? In that case, let's do this. B reaches gym. Okay, B reaches gym. with one turn. Okay, so from question mark, it is straight to the gym. So B cannot be the person who's starting from question mark. A reaches cafe in exactly 2 turns. Cafe is here. If in case cafe, yeah, cafe is here. If A starts from here, he needs only one turn, but here they have mentioned 2 turns. So it's not B is going to gym, he's straight to the gym. So he's not from question mark, B is not from question mark. And A needs only one turn. So A is not the person who starts from question mark. D did not take any turn to reach his destination. Okay, it cannot be D because if there is no turns, then he should have reached gym. It's not D. Obviously, it's gonna be C. And yeah, because C, where did he visit? C would have visited. C, not to the gym, not to the cafe. And C is not straight, like not to the zoo, as it is like, he should travel straight to it. D is traveling without any turn, so zoo. Obviously, the C person would have visited the shop. Okay, great. And C is the person who started from the square having the question mark. That's person C. Moving to the next question. Sam wants to reach home by walking along the gray strip. Identify the missing part of the strip. Home. Home is here. Okay. I believe he should just go this way and come this way, but I don't see any of the options. Okay, let's take which one will match. See, this is like starting from here, coming down, and it's going upward, so not A. And this is again, it's going towards right side, so not B. Obviously, it's not C because it's somewhere C shape. It's not ending towards home. And I go with option D. Let's cross check once. You see here, there are two squares. So let me shade the two squares. Okay. And one down. Okay, one down. Then one. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 turns. Okay, 2, 3, 4 turns. Then 2 turns down. 1, 2 reached home. So it's option D. Great. I guess this was really easy. And moving on to the next question. In the grid given below, which letter has the most number of arrows pointing towards it? Okay, so C, if I choose C, only one arrow is pointing. No, there are two arrows. Yes, two arrows. Let us mark A, B, C, D. C has two arrows. Great. Then let me change the color of the pen. D has one, two arrows. D has two. Okay. Then B, it's one, two, and from here it's one. So in total, there are three arrows, and A has only one. That is the least. Okay. Then I go with option B. Great. And I believe today's session was really simple and easy. Let's catch up in the next video with some more questions. Thank you.